Okay, lot of earnings on tap for today, guys, and tomorrow morning. Things that we're going to be going through. Just a little bit of a rundown. eBay, Netflix, URI, Morgan Stanley, Skyworks, United Healthcare, Ally, of course, which we had signals out over the last couple days, and IBM, just to mention a few. So we're going to have a real busy day dissecting and working through any potential setups with these. So, let's stay on our toes here and ask questions, but shortly after the opening here in 15 seconds, I'm going to dig right in. Okay, we'll manage any of our positions first, and then we're going to dig right in. All righty. Any big movers out there? Not so much, other than CSX, which is one that we looked at yesterday. I know some people like the upside. There was nothing I really saw. The stock got absolutely hammered. Be interesting to see if it comes down to the 200-day moving average here.